What is going on today, guys? Hot Wheels Gamer 458 is here. Excuse me. Some Hot Wheels are falling out of my glove box. Sorry about that. I know that was random, but that's where I keep my Hot Wheels whenever I'm on the road. Anyways, I just got mail in along with the dash cam, this Ferrari, but we're gonna unbox this baby. Oh yeah, the Ferrari 599 XX Super Treasure Hunt. Alright, let's crack the card opener open. I like how it says Hot Wheels back here. It's really cool. Alright, and this is really sweet. Just to take a little snapshot right there. Alright, Ferrari 599 XX. And I'm gonna keep this card protector because I need some for some of my Hot Wheels models. Or just keep this card. Or both. I don't know. But anyhow, let's unbox this baby. Gonna try to do it super carefully. If you're hearing all that, oh no. You know, I hate when the stuff like the card stuff gets sticks onto the plastic. But anyways, the card almost out. There you go. There's the card, which I'm gonna put back in. Alright. There you go. Now let's take a look at this baby. Wow. Look at that detail. Holy crap. Here, let me just grab the phone. Sorry. Look at that. Wow. This is $100 Super that I paid from eBay. This is insane. The maroon color is just wow. Alright, that's my unboxing video of this bad boy right here. This is gonna go to my best super collection for sure. And this is one Ferrari models before Ferrari got before they lost to make license for Ferrari, which is very unfortunate. And I heard they might get it back this year. But alright, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe for more Hot Wheels entertainment and unboxing. Thank you so much.